Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another R6 vlog. Strange weather today in Greece, kind of windy. And again, you see me not wearing protection. Not advisable, but stupidity. Obviously we got a helmet, but I'm sweating my balls off. So yeah, not wearing any jacket, let's say. Yeah, I don't think we'll make it. So today's topic, we're taking a short ride. We got some chores to do, take care of, so running a little bit like crazy, but hope you can hear me well, because the microphone did stuff up another one of these days. So yeah, as you've seen, I'm wearing the shirt, no gloves or nothing, just a helmet. Not a very good idea, it's not smart, but it's fucking hot. Otherwise I was sweating all night. Today's topic, we're going to discuss about helmets. How important it is to wear a helmet. Actually, not just helmets. So let's make it a little bit more specific. Today's video is going to be electric scooters, electric bicycles, electric whatever the hell you want to call them. Those things that have two wheels with a plank on them, and you stand up on them and you just go like a silly cunt. Please excuse the language, but this is how I feel. And the specific point that we're going to discuss in relation to the electric scooters is going to be the importance of wearing a helmet. So how do I say this politely? Yeah, okay. Fucking wear a helmet. Fucking wear a helmet. Whoever the fuck is out there, I'm gonna say this a little bit aggressive because people are fucking sleeping. You got to wear your fucking helmet, okay? Fucking idiot. Wear the fucking helmet. This is a lot of time why people get confused with what I say, because they'll turn around and say, hey John, you were advocating about not following the speed limits, and you were advocating for this. How come you're advocating for wearing a helmet? Yeah, each one has its fucking purpose. Each one has its fucking purpose. It's becoming a late trend that I'm noticing, that all logic has escaped the human species, unfortunately. It's an absence of logic, for the love of fucking God. Wear a fucking helmet. On some things you will see me strict, on other things you will see me less strict. That notion of, I'm just going to follow the law, I'm going to follow the rules, you fucking idiot. The rules, why they're there, the regulations, everything, as per country, as per legal system, that does not mean it's the right thing, you moron. And I have demonstrated this last time that we had gone to that place. Any quicker? Fucking idiot. And I demonstrated that last time we went to that place with a 70 speed kilometer. You know what I mean? 70 kilometer speed limit. That's a fucking moron. No one follows it, because the road ain't for that. So following the law doesn't mean shit. Just to give some statistics, so maybe some people will wake up. And like I said, I'm not being I'm not trying to be negative with the audience and everything, but it's like sometimes where they say you gotta ring the bell of danger. You know what I mean? Like, wake up, wake the fuck up, retards, your bus is leaving. You know what I mean? Wear your fucking helmet. 76% of motorbike drivers, I mix motorcycle with motorbike drivers wear their helmet. 66% of them, and again, you don't have to be like, okay, there's 78, 75, 73 in general. I looked up some statistics because I was curious, you know what I mean? I knew by looking and experiencing on the road what the percentages should have been around, but I actually got confirmed. Around 76% of motorbike riders wear helmets. You know what I mean? Which is also required by law on some countries, on most countries. 66 of them are within ISO specifications and not cheap helmets, even on countries such as India, such as poor countries. Again, they're following. That's motorbike riders. Because some people say, you know, you motorbike, you're not sensible and stuff. No, fucking idiot. That does not hold true. Each person is different. Now, motorcyclists, cyclists in general, 50% of them wear helmets. The open face ones, the ones that are the top half. Okay. Worldwide, 50% of them wear helmets. Okay. Only 4 countries, it's required by law for a cyclist to wear his helmet. What do? You don't fucking wear it. And this statistics is worldwide. No. Because there is all the fucking danger, you know what I mean? Now, electric scooters go faster than cycles. You know, the bicycles. What's the percentage that they're wearing? You want to hear it? 18% worldwide. Again, it's not required by law. What does that mean? Nothing. If you're gonna fucking follow what the law says, you're fucking retarded. You're retarded, my friend. I'm sorry to say that. Wake up call. It's never too late, but wake the fuck up. Okay. Yesterday when I was coming from work, and why I wanted to discuss this. Yesterday I was coming from work. I was following an electric scooter, which was in front of me. He was on the right hand side of the lane. If you thought about how he was riding, he was as per he should. You know what I mean? He was following the laws. He was following everything on the right hand side, which is, you know, like the bus lane. Let's say that's where they're supposed to go. And as I was looking at him, he was riding, and he's going over some like way. I didn't get why he fall down, but as we were going, he falls down. I'm laughing, but it's no fucking laughing matter. He falls down. Luckily there was no car behind him. It was like empty road. I was in the middle lane and I could see him. I wasn't paying attention, but I could see him. I was thinking to myself, what a fucking idiot. You know what I mean? Like, he's not wearing a helmet, he's not wearing nothing. Just a t-shirt, and actually he had what do you call them? Headphones. And not small headphones. I remember distinctly because they were huge headphones. He was wearing headphones. He was listening to music, he was going along. Okay. As he's going, he falls down. His back slips and does like a little wiggle, and he falls. How does he fall? His fucking head slammed on the side of the pavement, of the walk path. Now to see this, as I was already previously speaking on the video, you know, that take care of wear your helmet, wear your fucking helmet. It's like at some point of me thought, like, do I have to be right? You know, he got knocked the fuck out. I'm gonna say as it was like, he got knocked the fuck out. As soon as he hit the pavement, he was KO'd. And to actually see that live in front of you, see a guy like go like this, whoa, 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 swing his arms, and then as soon as he hits the floor, it's just like he just became mush, like a soft shit. It's like, awesome, man, good fucking job. Where are your fucking headphones? I'm not trying to be mean, but it's just a snap of religion. Where, did you enjoy the music? The fucking headphones flew out before he hit his head. He smacked his head, just one cold. He would just go knocked out. He was just going blah, blah, blah on the road. How he is now, I don't know. I just drove off. Now many people have told me, why don't you stop and help? When it's time for me to stop, I'll stop. I ain't gonna kill myself, you know what I mean? There were other cars behind the stop to help him out. What happened to him? I don't know. Could he have died? Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? That's why you might see me. You might hear me be against about some things, and you might think that John is just not a fucking, you know, he's not for safety. That is not true. That is not fucking true. I'm going to take risks, and I'm going to take all the necessary measurements in order for me to take these risks and minimize the risk. Okay, I ain't gonna sit in my house, don't drive a bike, don't drive this, don't walk outside your house because there's a small percent of an aeroplane hitting you. Like, what the fuck? Take your risks, but do them properly. That was a fucking stupid shit. You know what I mean? You wear a helmet. There's helmets with fucking earbuds. You put your earbuds and then listen to music. Why the fuck are you not wearing it? You know what I mean? It's on the same level of stupidity as me not wearing a jacket. The only problem here is that I'm going to get a road rash. possibly a broken bone, not die. And you might think, oh John, you're being extreme. He just hit his head. You fucking, I've seen that. When I was a young kid, I've seen, like, he was an older person, my age now. I've seen him died in front of our house. And because I was young, I remember, because it was a shock to my mind. He slipped, he fell, and he hit the back of his head on the walk path, on the corner. The back of his head, he was dead. Declared dead on the fucking spot. You think you're fucking hardcore. You ain't shit. You ain't shit. This is softy. Okie dokie. Fucking idiot. Anyway, we're reaching the place. And I'm gonna cut the video short. Just wanted to get a message out, because I saw that yesterday and I freaked out. I mean, wear your fucking helmet. Anyway, I wish everybody to be safe. You know what I mean? I don't know what else to say. Anyway, goodbye everybody. Have an awesome, great day. Talk soon.